Shalom. Welcome back. Today we will be learning 5 Hebrew letters and their final form. First letter is Kaf. This letter, when used, has a letter at the beginning of the word and another shape of that letter at the end of a word. So it's called Kaf Sofit. This is what it looks like. The pictographic meaning of this letter is the palm of your hand. You can see in this picture that the hand is cupped. The hand which covers and uncovers. It also means salvation and atonement. The pictogram and shape of the letter Kaf is a hand that protects what's under the covering. It speaks of Yeshua rescuing us. It speaks of potential and receiving. Its numerical value is 20. It has a connection to the Jewish holiday, Sukkot. The top of a sukkah is called chaks. It's made of a variety of greenery. Through the greenery, the people relate to God, surrounding its people like a kippah or crown protecting the people. The letter Lamed signifies the voice of authority and his blood sacrifice. It shows a staff as a symbol of authority and power. Lamed is the tallest letter in the Hebrew alphabet. It's the only letter that goes above the line. The sages express this as the letter that categorizes things in the air. It also relates to the things of the heart and what it longs for. It wants to connect spiritually with the higher world and God. The word heart in Hebrew begins with the letter Lamed. The word for prayer in Hebrew also has one Lamed. Tehillah means prayer. Prayer is the heart expressing love and supplication to God. Also, the word Tehillah in Hebrew has 2 lameds, and it means to praise God. The letter Lamed means to learn and to teach. As a teacher, I know that the greatest way to learn is to teach. It gives you practical application to what you've already learned. Its numerical value is 30. The letter Mem has 2 forms. A letter that comes at the beginning, middle, and end of the word, called the final word or Sofit in Hebrew. The letter Mem signifies water, flood, rain, life, death, and probation, followed by renewal. The word for water in Hebrew is mayim. The mem used at the beginning of a word represents a body of water. It looks like a square with an opening at the bottom. These are pointing to running bodies of waters like springs, streams, and rivers. The final mem is like a closed body of water, signifying a pond, an ocean, a lake. Water that gives life as we go without eating for a few days. But you can't go without water. The earth's surfaces is covered by water about 70 to 80%. Our human adult body is made of 60% of water, according to H. Mitchell, Journal of Biological Chemistry, number 158. The brain and heart are composed of 73% water, and the lungs are about 83% water. The skin contains 64% water. Muscles and kidneys are 79%. And even the bones are watery, containing 31%. In Jewish belief, just like water gives life, the Torah gives life. Okay, this ends lesson 7. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a lesson. If you're enjoying these lessons, please consider being a patron. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson. Shalom.